exciting day. We are getting lower down to the water from the travel lift.
It takes the entire Cabrales crew using hand signals and spotters to get Haraya to the water. We feel the lift slowly creep forward, and soon the water appears under us. Naturally, there's a bit of anxiety that creeps in through the excitement. We may be smiling, but deep down, we are holding our breath, whispering, "Please don't drop. Please don't leak. And please let the motor start."
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey.
All right, we are down. I'm gonna check for leaks. No leak there. No leaks.
We have 3 spots where the water could leak, and they were all dry. But Sam did need to watch the transmission while the motor was in gear, so I had to stay at the helm and dock Haraya. This isn't a task I do frequently, and it made me a little nervous. Well, there you are. We're back in the water.
Don't be excited.
Sorry, I feel like a mother. I gotta clean your lens.
Stop
It's
touching
gross. I bet you can see it on that side.
All right, well, I'm excited to be back on the water. Apparently she is not.
My brain is thinking.
Jeez. But we just got out of the boatyard, motored for, I don't know, 3 minutes, turned around, made it back. We are in a slip for the night and hopefully leaving tomorrow morning. At one point when the wind dies down, we are going to spin this boat around by hand because we haven't drove it for a while. And we really don't want to hit anybody tomorrow morning when we leave. And we know we can spin this around in the slip because we've done it before. So once the winds die down a little bit tonight, we'll probably flip her around. Well, it's that time. We have stalled long enough. We've checked the rig multiple times, sorted the boat. The boat is clean. We got a good night's sleep, and we are ready to sail out of Puerto Escondido and headed to Refugio. It's like 105 miles or something, so it's like an overnight 24-hour sail probably for us. It's supposed to be blowing 15 knots, gusting to 20. So that's our plan. We are, I don't know what else to do. We're gone. Hopefully this boat is put together properly.
Just when we thought the boat was ready. Well, if you have the right tool for the job will get done.
You're gonna break it.
Well, what else are we supposed to do? Aw, man.
You broke it. I'm beginning to think she's the reason we can't have anything nice. All right. Now that we can get to the key to the motor, let's start this thing up and get out of here. Round 2.
Well, here we go. It has been a year and a half since we've been in the water. Do we even know how to sail? Our first leg is a long one. And the trip from Penasco to Puerto Refugio has been known to be a little bit hairy if you don't plan well.
All right, we're out of here. Penasco's right behind us. Headed to Refugio. Feels good to be on the water. I could get used to this. Oh man.
Who are you calling old? We have left Puerto Penasco. We've gone a whole, I don't know, mile. No, we've actually gone 2 miles. We just turned the motor off. The motor ran really well for us. It clunked a little bit at low speed. I think that might be the exhaust clunking. I'm not sure. When we revved it up a little bit more, it all went away. It seemed to be pretty smooth, but I will check the alignment again. And we also need to tighten our rig a little bit more. We were gonna let the boat settle for a week in the water, sit where she wants to sit. Anyways, we are under sail, making 4.5 to 5 knots. It's 104 miles to Refugio. We should be there noonish tomorrow at this pace. So far, so good. It's a little rolly. But that's probably just because we've been, you know, landlubbers for the last 1.5 years, so we'll see what happens.
As day becomes evening, we feel relieved. We begin to feel like we belong. The events of the past year begin to melt away and we start to feel the rhythm of the sea. The wind's in our sails carrying us into the night. For me, the nausea gets worse when I give in to sleep and Sam takes the first shift.
Well, we survived our first night. It was actually quite beautiful. The swell calmed down a little bit so we weren't rocking so bad. In the beginning, I got sick. Oh man, I was sick. Woo. But a little bit of nap helped. And we're just a couple of hours out of our anchorage. We can see it. I think we averaged 4.5 knots all night, which is, we usually have to fight for that a little bit. We'll see what the computer says. It might be a little bit higher. I don't know.
What do you got for stats?
Inked. So we covered a total of 111 nautical miles in 23.38 hours, and our average speed was 4.7 knots for our first time. I think it paid off to get some of that crap off the boat. We had consistent winds all night, which was great because once we set our sails, we didn't have to even, I don't think we touched them once, did we? I didn't. We had a really big swell all the way. I got nauseous this time. I don't normally get nauseous, but we were nauseous last night. Sam said he got a little bit towards the morning time. We're here in Refugio, Angel LaGuardia. It's nice and quiet. There's 2 boats over there. So we have the place to ourselves, really. It's beautiful, calm, a light breeze. We're gonna make some breakfast, have some coffee maybe. And then, I don't know, we both slept pretty good last night, so we might not need a nap. We might just be hanging out today. Man, it's good to be back on the water.
Thanks for watching. We are so excited for what the season will bring, and we'd love for you to come along. So like and subscribe so you don't miss it.